What's up, everybody? It's your girl Ahlee the Great, coming at you with another video. Today I'm doing an ACV apple cider vinegar dreadlock detox. It's going to be really informative, really good for you. So let's get it started. Alright, dope. So the first thing you're going to need is to check out your hair in the mirror and see what you're working with. Mine's not too dry, but there is some toxins inside of my dreads that are just... We're gonna start off with some apple cider vinegar, 1 cup, a little bit of pure lemon juice, oh yeah, some baking soda from Minnesota. Yeah. See, they're pretty dry too, on top of being like hella packed with like sweat and dirt and see, it's super dry. Proof of dryness. So yeah, so we're just gonna dip those locks into the sink. Scrub your scalp up really good.
That you can see the paradise in my eyes. No such thing as limits. It's only in your mind.
The limit doesn't exist. It's only in your mind. Letting them soak, but at the same time, I'm just scrubbing the scalp while they soak. Scrub.
Veering through every lyric to show my peers you can meet love. Dying through every journey, living for every moment. Open the third dimension to this, I am the beholder. Wipe the blood off my shoulder, silence, death, and commotion. I know that my mind's open, blind rolling through high voltage. I've noticed I'm wherever mind told me, so I tell me to succeed. Don't just get what you need. Being, seeing, believing is all you need to succeed. All you need to achieve is you already are. I know the sky's no limit, so shoot for me, I'm a star. Born and forward, I'm pouring my all into this.
Limits don't exist, it's only in your mind.
So do what you wanna do for you.
If you give it time, whatever you...
Yeah, we're getting to the end here. Dope. Yep. Alright, let's see the results.
Do what you wanna do, yeah. Look inside, cause all it takes is you. So do what you wanna do for you.
I like to use grape seed oil, but you can use coconut oil or whatever you like. Oil it down or moisturize it, but if you take a look at how shining these boys are, look at how shining they are. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Well, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. It's your girl Ahlee the Great. Thank you again. Peace.